Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change shooting mode on the SONY ZV-1 II. So first, what you guys need to do is basically open up the menu. Now here we are, and now we need to go over to the shooting, and here scroll down until you see shooting mode. It's number 4. Now click on shoot mode, and here you can choose between intelligent auto, the program auto, the aperture priority or shutter priority, manual exposure, and here you have your custom one. So here you can change it. That'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.